Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Celebritychef shares age-old firecider recipe that gives you a. Celebritychef Gaz Oakley shares his recipe for firecider, an age-old herbal remedy that can help boost immunity, especially during cold and flu season. Firecider is made by infusing apple cider vinegar with ingredients like turmeric, ginger, chiles, onions, and garlic for about 4 weeks. This process extracts the goodness from each ingredient, making it a potent remedy. The key ingredients in firecider, such as ginger, chiles, turmeric, garlic, and apple cider vinegar, have various health benefits including antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. Oakley notes that the fermented quality of firecider is also beneficial for gut health. The recipe includes additional ingredients like rosemary, sage, cinnamon, and star anise, which also have their own medicinal properties. Oakley recommends taking 1 to 2 tablespoons of the firecider daily, mixed with water, as a preventative measure to ward off illness. It can also be used as a savory dressing. The cider can be stored in the fridge for several months and the taste can be sweetened with maple syrup if desired. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak